everyone, welcome back. It's Molly. Today I'm going to be making potato salad. This recipe is from the Women's Home Companion Cookbook, which was published around 1944. Make sure you stay tuned through the whole show so you can see the taste test and hopefully you'll learn something along the way. As always, this recipe will be located down below in the description box. Let's get started. Okay, so this is a pretty quick recipe. For it, you will need 3 cups of cooked sliced potatoes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated onion, a tablespoon of lemon juice, so a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard, about a half a cup of chopped pickles, and you can use whatever kind of pickle you like, 4 chopped hard-boiled eggs, and then we need a 1/3 cup of French dressing. Now you can use store-bought French dressing, or it's actually really easy to make your own. So I'm gonna make my own today. So this French dressing recipe comes from the same cookbook. We're going to need a 1/3 cup of vinegar, and I'm using apple cider, 1 cup of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and about 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. And then you just shake it up. Pretty easy. I went ahead and added 1 cup of chopped bacon to this. And now it's time to add the French dressing. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of that. So let me just get that. So a 1/3 cup of French dressing. Okay. So I was curious about the history of potato salad, and I was researching it, and I learned that the potato plant actually originates from South America and was brought to Europe by Spanish explorers in the 16th century. And by the end of the 16th century, most European countries actually had their own versions of potato salad. And it's believed that traditional American potato salads were inspired by German potato salads. And so when they say traditional American potato salads, they're talking about ones that contain mayonnaise. And I guess there was a particular German immigrant, Richard Hellman, and he's believed to have contributed to the popularity of potato salad in America by incorporating his brand of mayonnaise in it. And I've seen that mayonnaise for sale, I think. I think it's still for sale. So just like Hellman, I will be adding mayonnaise to this potato salad after it's had a chance to chill for a little bit. And then we'll also add some pepper and salt at that time as well. All right, so I'm gonna cover this with plastic wrap, stick it in the fridge, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so the potato salad's been in the fridge for about 2 hours, and it says to add some mayonnaise to moisten it up a little bit and to add some salt and pepper, but it doesn't give amounts for those. So I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and it's not Hellman's. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of pepper and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're ready to taste this. I've got Dan with me.
Hello.
And we're going to taste test this potato salad. You ready?
I am.
Okay. You should like this. It has bacon in it.
I do like bacon.
Mmm. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
It's very flavorful.
Mm-hmm.
We find that a lot of these old recipes are pretty basic, which is nice because you can customize it and put whatever the heck you want in there. So, I mean, you could change up the type of pickles you'd use. You don't have to put bacon in it. You could put ham. You could put, smoked salmon. I wonder what that would taste like.
Yeah.
That's a thought I just had.
Oh, it's good though.
It is good.
I don't think it really needs maybe a pinch of salt and pepper, but I think it tastes fine.
I had a guess on the amounts for the salt and pepper. So, and a guess on the amount for the mayonnaise. It's creamy enough. It's definitely creamy.
Yeah.
Dan thinks a little more salt and pepper. You know, and of course that's going to change depending on what you put in there. I was kind of holding off on the salt a little bit because of this bacon. I didn't know how salty that would get. So, but it's very good. It doesn't make a whole ton. So that's one thing that, and I'll grab a bowl. So, I mean, it's a lot of potato salad, but sometimes if you're going to like a family reunion or a big cookout and you need a lot, you might want to double or triple this recipe so it makes a lot. But this is good. This is a good amount for us. You like potato salad, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I made it without even knowing.
Yeah, no, this is actually pretty good. It's delicious. I like it.
Excellent. All right, so there you have it. Potato salad circa 1944. If you like what you saw here, please like the video and subscribe. I upload new content every Wednesdays and Sundays, and we have a good time here.
Goodbye, everyone.
We hope to see you again soon.